Hi guys, over spring break I have 2 new puzzle packs for you. They say week 2 and week 3. First one looks like this. It has a bald eagle in the top. And the other one says week 3 and it has an American hat with a feather. I think it's Yankee Doodle Dandy's hat with a feather in it. And I just wanted to show you how the puzzles work. We're going to do these for the rest of the year. They're called Tangy Tuesdays, but you don't have to do them on Tuesday. And they'll be the same type of puzzle every week, but they get a little bit harder. I skipped week 1 because it was a little bit easy, so this is week 2, starting right away. So the first thing you see is a crossword puzzle. Okay, you have the across clues here and the down clues here. And then your choices of answers are across the top here. So if you're not sure what your answer would be, it's here. And it uses all different kinds of math words. It uses fractions, it uses time, it uses addition, subtraction, it uses the word dozen, which means 12. It uses the word half, uses greater, it uses least or less than. So you're gonna use those words to do the crossword. This page is fun. It's 2 separate mazes. It's called the snake. So this is a maze. It starts here with the number 30 and it goes like this. And you should end with the number 22. And then this is a separate maze. It starts with the number 2. And so what happens is you write a number in each of the white squares, but the gray square tells you what to do. So they start with the number 30 and then it says take away 6. So you go 30. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Take away 6. So you write 24 in the box. Then it says plus 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. So you write that in the box. 26 minus 12. So you're going to do that. And you can write in all this white space. You can also get a scratch piece of paper to do your math. Or you can count up or count back. But here's the hard part. If you go too fast and you make a mistake anywhere in the snake and you don't end up at 22, you have to restart at the very beginning and do the whole snake again before you can see where your mistake is. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to find the mistake that you made. So go really slow and careful as you make your way through the snakes. Okay, the next one. All right. In the empty box, here, between each of the big boxes, you're going to write the number that's the same and shared in both boxes. So if you look at this one, 17, 10 plus 1, what's 10 plus 1? It's 11. A 10 rod and 4 ones, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then the number 24. So this box has 17, 11, 14, and 24. Now you look over here. This box has 13, 20 plus 8, which is 28, 14, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if you look at these 2 boxes, 14 is in both of them. Here it's written out in words. Here it's written out in words. Over here, was it spelled out? No, it wasn't 14. Which number was the same on both sides? 10 and 8. Oh, here. 10 and 8 is 18. And here is 10 and 8 ones is 18. So you'd write the number 18 here. Okay, here we did this one. So look down below. They have 28, 19, 11, and 15. Well, here's 15 written out. And here's 15 as a number. So you're going to put 15 here. So you're finding the thing that's the same. This next one, this is a little bit tricky, says, in each 5 numbered pentagon, find the number that is the sum of 2 other numbers. And you get a sum when you add numbers together. So then use all 5 sums to create one final answer. So if we look at this first pentagon, I see 2, 14, 13, 12, and 19. So 2 of these numbers are going to be added together to make another one of these numbers. So does 2 and 19 make 12? No. Does 12 and 13 make 14? No. How about 12 and 2? They make 14. So 14 is the sum. 12 and 2 are in there, and they make 14. So 14's in the sum. So in this pentagon, down here, I'm going to put 14. And there's a light one here for you to get started. Okay, and then you come over here. 1, 19, 4, 8, and 3. So do 3 and 4 make 8? Do 3 and 19 make 8? How about 3 and 1? They make 4. So 4 is the sum, so you're going to write the 4 in this pentagon. Then when you're done, you're going to do the same thing and add up all of the sums. It says use all 5 sums to create one additional puzzle. Okay, you're not going to add them all up. You're going to do the same thing. Find the 2 things that make a sum and put your sum here. Okay, this one's tricky. And then the last one looks like this. Fill in the empty boxes to make every horizontal is side to side and vertical, top to top, top to bottom, equation correct. Read the equations left to right and top to bottom. So it means that the number sentence, they're using the word equation for number sentence. The equation has to work going this way and this way, and this way. And these are the only numbers you can use one time each to fill in the puzzle. So the first one says 4 minus 2, which is 2, plus 7 equals 9. That's correct. They did that one for you. So it's like a long number sentence with 3 addends, 3 numbers to make the answer, except sometimes they add and sometimes they subtract. They're still called addends. All right, look at this one. This says 4 equals 8. That means because the equal sign's on the top that this number sentence has to start from the bottom. So this is 1 plus something minus 8 will equal 4. So 1 plus something minus 8. That means that this number has to be more than 8 because I have to be able to take away 8 and still have 4. Let's take a good look. 1 plus 6 minus 8. No. Ooh, what if I go this way? They said top to bottom. What if 4 equals 8 minus 5? That's 3 plus 1. Does 8 minus 5, which is 3, plus 1 make 4? So you're making addition and subtraction sentences, but you're going in both directions. So I'm giving you 2 of these packets. You can work on them over your spring break, Passover break, and return them to me, or you can save them for after break as extra math challenges, okay? All right, I look forward to talking to you all soon. Bye.